Hello, my name is Steve Kenniston, Business Development Executive for the IBM Spectrum Storage Software portfolio, and I'd like to take a few moments of your time to talk to you about how IBM has enhanced its modern data protection portfolio with our latest data protection announcements for Spectrum Protect Plus. Let's begin. First, I do believe by now that all of us realize that hybrid multi-cloud is the new normal for most all data centers. 94% of enterprises today have hybrid cloud models, mixing public, private, dedicated, and countless SaaS applications. This trend will continue with rapid growth in all three flavors of cloud through at least 2020. And 67% are using a mix of multiple cloud vendors, each with their own proprietary tools and management systems. All this while enterprises continue to make significant investments in traditional IT. This new hybrid multi-cloud reality creates not only new opportunities, but also new challenges for IT leaders. 82% are concerned about how they will connect all of these clouds with traditional IT. 73% need better ways to move apps, workloads, and data between these clouds more effectively. And 67% worry about how they will manage this new mix of clouds and environments in a consistent way across vendors without introducing new security and compliance risks. Even for those looking to aggressively move more to the cloud today, it will be a journey. The question is, how do you accelerate that journey today? For those of you who don't know, Dilbert is a stereotypical, technically minded individual. He's capable but ignored at work and loves computers and technology. The pointy-eared person is Dilbert's colleague within IT. All of the IT team is notable for their gross incompetence, obliviousness to their surroundings, and unhelpful buzzwords. The team is always using pop culture references as ways that they believe they can solve tough problems. Corporations around the globe have begun transitioning a number of applications to the cloud. A number of these applications are already pre-built and used extensively, as you will see in the next slide. Two of these applications that Spectrum Protect Plus has been updated with to provide protection for are Microsoft Office 365 for Exchange and the latest in Microsoft's email programs, and Microsoft Office OneDrive, a file hosting and synchronization service. Now, as you can see, these cloud-based applications are growing in popularity and deployments are growing rapidly. 1 in 5 corporate employees uses a Microsoft Office 365 cloud service, and it is the most widely used service around the globe. As of 2018, there are 155 million Microsoft Office 365 users, and over 500,000 businesses, 90% plus in the Fortune 100, are using Microsoft Office Teams. These cloud-based applications are helping businesses achieve their goals every day. And as you can see, 27% of the clients have no Office 365 recovery capabilities, while 54% believe that the Office 365 services will take care of their backup and recovery needs, as cited by ESG. There are really 4 main reasons for you to protect your Office 365 and OneDrive data. First, the data is your data and your responsibility to protect it. Microsoft will tell you as much. And while most Tier 1 cloud data centers are designed to provide a high level of availability, security, and resilience, most cloud vendors themselves still recommend a protection model that will cover multiple data centers to protect against outages. Replication-based models used to protect their own systems is not the same as an independent backup of your data. Next, solutions such as Microsoft Office 365 has limited backup and retention policies that only protect against situational data loss and is not intended to be the be-all and end-all backup solution meeting all recovery SLAs. Next, it is important to point out that there are several new legal compliance and governance regulations driving the need for stricter backup, recovery, and e-discovery. Traditional data backup is specifically focused on preventing data loss, but e-discovery and privacy-based laws such as the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the recent California Consumer Privacy Act of 2018 set new ground rules for data protection and governance. Having a backup of your Office 365 data can address many requirements for data protection and security and can also serve as a reference data set that can be used to be analyzed to satisfy compliance-based rules. And finally, malware and ransomware, as well as a host of other security threats, have done serious damage to organizations. External threats can sneak through email attachments. Exchange 365's limited backup recovery functions are inadequate to handle such serious attacks. Regular backups will help ensure a separate copy of your data is unaffected and that you can quickly recover. Now, why do we think Spectrum Protect Plus is a modern solution? Well, there are quite a few key reasons, actually. The solution is low cost, making it easy to acquire and simple to deploy, which helps produce an immediate return on your investment. The solution has an intuitive user interface, making it a solution that is easy to manage and lowers your overall OpEx. Spectrum Protect Plus has what we call a proactive catalog. This helps to automate the backing up and tracking of all data copies without having to think about it. Spectrum Protect Plus provides instant access of its backup data for both operational recovery purposes as well as for data reuse, keeping downtime to a minimum. The solution is software-defined, providing clients the greatest flexibility and allowing them to leverage their investments they have already made in their backup infrastructure. Spectrum Protect Plus provides secure roles-based access control, enabling IT to provide self-service capabilities to departments that need access to the data. And Spectrum Protect Plus also provides automation and orchestration to enable not only SLA-based data protection, but the ability to provide templates to recover data where and when needed outside in any disaster. When combined with a RESTful API, teams can orchestrate data reuse data needed for applications such as Chef or Puppet. Spectrum Protect Plus can create offline backup copies of Microsoft Office 365 Online and OneDrive. Spectrum Protect Plus creates incremental forever backups based on Microsoft's technology called Delta queries, and the data is stored and protected on local storage in the vSnap repository, managed and controlled by Spectrum Protect Plus. Spectrum Protect Plus can create scheduled or on-demand backups and recoveries of your Microsoft Office 365 and OneDrive data that includes mailboxes, contacts, calendars, and OneDrive data. Now, from a recovery perspective, Spectrum Protect Plus can recover a specific version of data or recover a bulk of data from a given point in time. This data can be recovered to the original account or even to another account should the person have left the company and someone else needs access to the data. At this point in time, Spectrum Protect Plus does not offer the ability to do item-level restores of specific email files yet. This is on our roadmap. For more on backup and recovery of items, please see our YouTube video that is called out here. Now, from a configuration perspective, you can see the Spectrum Protect Plus environment in the primary site includes a VADP proxy, the vSnap server, where data is stored. There's a cloud proxy that is on a Linux machine used to integrate with Office 365 services and a data mover. For more details on implementation, again, please see our YouTube video that is called out here. From a licensing and cost perspective, IBM has made our data protection solution for Office 365 very compelling. Yes, it is a new part number and it is licensed by the number of users available as a monthly subscription. This aligns with both the licensing model from Microsoft as well as others in the market that are selling solutions to protect these types of environments. Today, the features and capabilities for protecting Office 365 and OneDrive are not available in the Spectrum Protect or Spectrum Storage Suite. Prices start at $2 per month per user. Again, my name is Steve Kenniston, and I want to thank you for your time for listening to this presentation on IBM Spectrum Protect Plus and the latest information on protecting Office 365. Should you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out. Note to listeners, please make this a part of every modern data protection conversation you are having, as these cloud-based applications are becoming more and more commonplace, and I am sure your clients are using these solutions. Thank you, and have a nice day.